Hello people, this is Jasneet Singh aka Innovative Coder from Innovative Coder Workstation, and continuing with the microprocessors and microcontrollers video, we'll be learning the few parts which were left in previous videos. So until now we have learned about the basic computer components and why you need to study this subject, and what is the history behind these processors, and why are 8085 and 86 not outdated. And in this video we'll be learning about I/O and memory, which are also the crucial part of a computer system. Okay, so first thing we'll be learning about is memory. Memory. Okay. Fine. Okay. Memory. So what memory does is, if I want to just a gist of what memory is. So memory stores program as well as data. Okay, memory is used to store information, in short. So it stores two kinds of information. One is program and other is data. What are actually program and data? If we talk about through various examples. So for example, MS Word. If we talk about, if you have, I think all of you are familiar with MS Word. So MS Word is a program, and Word documents are data. If we talk about video player or VLC media player, suppose I'm not doing promotion of any particular video player. So video player is a program, and videos are its data. Okay. WhatsApp. So I'm taking daily life examples. So WhatsApp is a program, and the messages are its data, and so on and so forth, right? Okay. All programs are data. All programs and data are stored in memory in digitized form, where every information is represents in its binary form, that is ones and zeros, called as binary digits, or simply called as bits, right? So I think you're familiar with the series of bits, nibble and bytes, and like further KB, MB, and all that. So we'll be talking about that in separate video. So there are various forms of memory devices. If we talk about memory devices, there are various forms of memory devices. The main memory, also called as the primary memory, consists of RAM and ROM. Fine. So the main memory consists of, also called as primary memory, consists of RAM and ROM. Other memory devices, like we have hard disk, a floppy, which is not used now, CD, DVD, pen drives, and all of these stuff are known as secondary storage devices. Additionally, there are also high speed memory called as cache memories. Cache memory composed of SRAM. So basically, RAM can be divided into SRAM as well as DRAM. So one is static RAM and another is dynamic RAM. Okay. So it will be in your best interest if you think of primary memory only whenever we speak of memory, because secondary memory and high speed memories were implemented much later. In the evolution of processors, they came in the picture very late. So it will be good if you understand, if you think of only primary memory. Fine. So from now on, whenever we talk about memory, the word memory refers to as primary memory, that is ROM and RAM. RAM and ROM. Fine. So the memory is a series of locations. If we basically talk about, so what is memory? Memory is a series of locations. So each location is identified by its own unique address. You need to understand that. So suppose we have this as a memory. So memory has various locations, and each location is referred to as by its own address, its own unique address. So every location contains 1 byte, that is 8 bits of data, and that is true for every microprocessor. Every microprocessor, one location carries 1 byte. Remember this thing, I'll be repeating this same line in future videos as well. 1 byte consists of location consists of only 1 byte of data. There is very good reason for this, and you will learn it in future videos when we discuss about memory banking in 8086 microprocessor. Okay, so now the next part we have is of I/O devices. So yeah, here we have the I/O devices, and if I just tell you about the gist of IO devices. These are input output devices, and gives users give input through it, and output is displayed to us in basic understanding, a gist of that. So what are actually IO devices? So IO devices are used to enter programs and data as inputs and display or print the results as outputs. Fine. I think you would understand this thing, because IO devices are something which we all know, right? So IO devices are such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, etc. We are learning these things from a very small stage. Every form of computer system has a set of input-output devices for human interaction, and a device like maybe a touchscreen platform or performs dual functions, right? So touchscreen of your phone performs dual functions, input as well as output. Uh, I think you might understand this. Okay, so the microprocessor consists of the microprocessor, memory, and input output. They all are connected to each other using this system bus. So we'll be talking about this system bus in detail. So system bus, a brief idea of what is a system bus. System bus consists of address bus, data bus, and control bus. Right? We'll be deep diving into what is actually system bus in future videos. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I think we are almost complete with introduction. So now we'll be starting off with either 8085 or 8086. I think most probably 8085 microprocessor, or maybe one video I'll be making on binary, so that you can be more familiar with what is binary and what are actually binary digits and what all operations we can apply on binary. So that's all for this video. I hope you like the content, and I hope you will subscribe our channel. So if you like the video, then please hit that like button, and please follow me on Instagram. I have a great page over there. Thank you.